Today we're looking at the iMartine BR151 robot vacuum and mop, a 2-in-1 cleaner designed for simple daily floor maintenance. It combines 2300 Pascal suction with a basic mopping function, all controllable via app or voice assistant. This model targets users seeking an affordable, automated solution for hard floors and low-pile carpets. Check the link in the description for the best price. We'll explore its real-world performance across different floor types and its overall usability. For hard floors, it effectively picks up daily dust, crumbs, and light pet hair. This makes it a reliable choice for routine maintenance. On low-pile carpets, it picks up surface debris and routine dirt. However, it lacks the powerful suction for deep, cleaning, embedded messes. The mopping function is basic, suitable for light maintenance passes to refresh floors. It won't tackle sticky spills or deep grime. Setting up schedules and using voice control through Alexa or Google provides good daily convenience. This enhances hands-off cleaning. This robot provides dependable daily cleanup on hard floors, handling everyday dust and debris with ease. While it offers convenient mopping and simple controls, deeper cleaning for carpets is not its strong suit. We evaluate whether its performance and features align with its budget-friendly price point. This robot offers both vacuuming and mopping capabilities at a very accessible price point. This dual functionality provides significant value. App control, scheduling, and voice assistant compatibility add considerable value. These smart features make it genuinely convenient to operate daily tasks. Its cleaning power is adequate for simple homes needing light, routine maintenance. It won't satisfy those seeking powerful deep cleaning. Compared to some entry-level models, especially with LiDAR navigation, its value is mixed. Pricier options might offer better mapping. At its low price, this robot vacuum and mop delivers good budget value by combining two essential floor cleaning functions. Its controls are excellent for the cost. We highlight the potential downsides and common complaints to consider before purchasing. Its basic infrared navigation means it can miss spots or get stuck. It simply lacks the advanced mapping capabilities found in pricier units. At 2,300 pascals, the suction is considerably lower than many newer robots. This limits its effectiveness on anything beyond light, surface debris. This robot is best suited for hard floors and very low-pile carpets. It struggles significantly and offers minimal cleaning on thicker carpets. iMartine has reasonable marketplace presence compared to unknown brands. However, support and parts availability align with typical budget brands. The main risks with this robot stem from its basic navigation and modest suction power. It is best suited for specific environments rather than demanding use cases. The iMartine BR151 is a solid option if you need an affordable, automated solution for daily floor maintenance. It truly shines in small homes with mostly hard floors, offering convenient vacuuming and light mopping. However, be aware of its basic navigation and modest suction. If your home has significant carpets or demands advanced features, you might want to explore alternatives for better performance. It is a serviceable budget robot for uncomplicated cleaning needs.